take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel?
Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today we're doing another eye look with this purple glittery and gold look. Starting with our prepped and primed base, we're going to go ahead and take that light purple shade on a nice fluffy brush. And we're kind of going for almost a halo eye look here, since we're centering the glitter towards the center of the eye. And so I'm just taking that and kind of making the eye shape that I'm going for today, and I'm kind of winging it out a little bit to kind of fit my eye better, and then I'm going back and concentrating on the crease and the inner and outer corners of my eye. Doing a very similar thing with a darker purple, I am again taking that same fluffy brush and going over the light purple that I just put down, and I'm kind of darkening up the crease a little bit more and darkening up those inner and outer corners just to kind of make this look pop a little bit more. So now I'm taking a peachy nude shade and kind of softening up the edges, as well as taking that fluffy brush that we used before and kind of blending it out on my lower lash line. Now using my pinky, I go ahead and take a metallic gold shade and start in the center and work my way out. Now I'm taking a liquid eyeshadow that has a glittery base to it, so that way I get those really beautiful specks of glitter that we see in the look. Since, you know, you gotta have a little sparkle in everything. So I go over it with this a few times, and this is really what transitions it from a halo eye to a cut crease, even though it's not really a defined cut crease. So yeah, I started to do my eyeliner on camera, but that didn't work too well, so I went off camera, and there's the finished product with the lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and can't wait to see what looks you guys do with this. Bye!